Right by the sunshine. All right. Yeah.
Who wants to write when they can't see?
Excuse me, bro. I hope this shit ain't taken, because I'm taking it, bro.
I guess he never heard of personal space. Square root of apple
Oh,
pie.
shoot.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Yo, Teach, when's our next pop quiz?
It's only a pop quiz. We don't know what's coming. Kind of like that sneeze right there.
Bless you.
If I have to bless him one more time, he might end up winning the lottery.
What you shaking your head for? Yeah, I'm talking to you. You the only other one in this class. Huh?
If I don't hear it, I won't have to say it.
Shoot, boy.